Imagine rolling up to a campsite, or even just cruising down the highway, in something that looks like it was designed for the future, but built for right now. That's exactly the vibe you get when you see the brand new 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome. And let me tell you, this isn't your everyday RV. It's part high-speed train, part luxury yacht, part mobile mansion, and all Mitsubishi innovation wrapped into one seriously jaw-dropping machine. The first thing that hits you is the sheer size and presence. We're talking about a massive rig that stretches nearly 50 feet long, with a tall, curved roofline that looks like it belongs on a concept car more than a motorhome. Mitsubishi went all in on aerodynamics here, so instead of that boxy RV look we're used to, you get smooth, sweeping lines that glide from front to back. The front end is aggressive and futuristic, with razor-sharp LED lights and the Mitsubishi badge shining right in the middle. And yes, those 3 axles in the back aren't just for show. They give this beast stability and strength for long hauls. And here's a detail that really stands out. Instead of just a basic side entry door, this thing has a staircase that folds out and takes you right up into the main living deck, almost like boarding a private jet. From the side, the branding is bold, with Mitsubishi proudly splashed across the body, and those massive tinted windows wrapping around for panoramic views. Swing around to the rear, and the story is the same. Clean, futuristic lines, a full-width light bar, and not a single detail left unfinished. It's clear Mitsubishi wants this to feel more like an extension of a luxury lifestyle than just a camper you park at a site. Now, the magic really happens once you step inside. If the outside feels like a spaceship, the interior feels like a 5-star penthouse on wheels. The living area greets you with plush white leather seating, an L-shaped couch that's perfect for movie nights, or just relaxing after a long drive. And yes, an 85-inch QLED TV front and center. There's even a built-in whiskey decanter on the coffee table, just in case you feel like celebrating a good day on the road. The lighting, the finishes, the little touches like a bonsai plant on the shelf. Everything feels like it's been carefully curated to make you forget you're in a motorhome at all. Slide into the kitchen, and you'll probably wonder how they managed to fit a full gourmet setup inside an RV. You've got marble countertops, a proper induction cooktop with copper pots waiting, a wine fridge, an espresso machine, and more storage than most city apartments. It's the kind of space that makes you want to cook, even if you usually grab takeout on the road. And because Mitsubishi clearly understands how people live now, it's all tied together with smart tech. Touchscreen panels that control your lighting, blinds, climate, and even entertainment, all with just a tap. When it's time to turn in, the bedroom is just as impressive. A king-size bed, velvet curtains, and even a vanity setup that feels more like a boutique hotel than an RV. The mirrored wardrobe doors hide clever storage and even a safe for valuables. And then there's the bathroom. This isn't some cramped corner shower. We're talking a full spa experience with marble tiling, a double vanity, a glass rainfall shower, and yes, even a freestanding bathtub. Imagine soaking in that while parked under the stars somewhere in the mountains. It's an experience you don't expect to find in a motorhome. But Mitsubishi clearly decided to raise the bar. There's also a lower-level entry space that doubles as a lounge and dining area, with a compact kitchenette, a marble dining table, and even more seating. It's almost like having a second mini-apartment tucked underneath the main living deck, perfect for entertaining guests or just breaking up the flow of long trips. Of course, a motorhome of this scale isn't just about looking good, it's about how it drives. Mitsubishi is pushing into the future here with a hybrid powertrain designed to balance performance with efficiency. While details are still under wraps, the concept suggests a combination of a powerful diesel or gas engine with electric assistance, giving you smoother acceleration, quieter cruising, and the ability to cover long stretches without constantly worrying about fuel stops. That tri-axle setup in the rear means stability on highways. And advanced suspension technology should make this glide over rough roads far more comfortably than traditional RVs. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Something like this has to cost a fortune. And you'd be right. While Mitsubishi hasn't confirmed official pricing yet, analysts are estimating somewhere in the ballpark of $700,000 to $1 million, depending on customization. That might sound wild, but when you look at what's included, the luxury, the technology, the performance, it's actually competing directly with high-end motorhomes from brands like Prevost or Newmar. The difference is, this one comes with Mitsubishi's futuristic edge and design philosophy. Who is this really for? Well, it's not for the casual weekend camper. This is aimed squarely at people who want the best of both worlds: the freedom of the open road and the comfort of a high-end home. It's for digital nomads who want to work remotely in style, for families who want to see the world without giving up comfort, or for anyone who simply refuses to compromise between adventure and luxury. What makes it the best, in my opinion, is how seamlessly it blends all those worlds. It's not just another oversized RV with a bed and kitchen stuffed inside. This is a vision of what motorhomes could be in the future: sleek, sustainable, comfortable, and smart. It shows that Mitsubishi isn't afraid to take bold steps and reimagine travel in a way that feels aspirational, but still functional. So yeah, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement that says the future of travel is about freedom without sacrifice, design without compromise, and technology that doesn't get in your way but makes every journey better. Whether or not you ever see one of these on the road, it sets the stage for what's coming next in the world of motorhomes. And honestly, can you picture pulling up to a campsite in this thing? Everyone else is setting up their tents, and you're stepping out of what basically looks like a luxury spaceship. That's not camping, that's living.